Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create nested cards in Trello, your ultimate guide for 2025. First up, you'll need to open your Trello board. This is where all the magic happens. The reason we start here is simple. Your board is the central hub for your project. It's where we can create, manage, and view all your tasks or cards. Now that we have our board open, let's create a card. Just click on the Add a Card option, name it, and press Enter. This is how we create a task or a card in Trello. Each card represents a specific task or a part of your project. Now here's where things get interesting. To create nested cards, we're going to use what's called power-ups. These are additional features that you can add to your Trello board. For our purpose, we'll use the Hello Epics power-up. To add it, go to the Show menu tab, select Power-ups, and search for Hello Epics. Then click Add. This helps us because Hello Epics allows us to create relationships between cards, effectively nesting them under each other. With the power-up activated, go back to your card and click on it. You'll see a new option, Child Cards. Click on Add Child Card, give it a name, and hit Enter. Now you've created a nested card. This is essentially a subtask related to your main task. Let me explain why this matters. By creating nested cards, you're breaking down your tasks into manageable parts. This makes it easier to track progress and understand the flow of your project. Next up, you can create even more child cards under your first child card, creating a deeper level of nesting. To do this, just repeat the previous step. The reason we do this is to further break down complex tasks into simpler, more manageable pieces. Now that we've done that, remember, you can always move these nested cards around by dragging and dropping them. This helps us because it allows for flexibility in managing tasks and their dependencies. That's it. You've just learned how to create nested cards in Trello. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize your tasks and track your project's progress. And that's a wrap for today. Now go forth and organize, nest, and conquer your projects with Trello. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.